Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're unboxing and reviewing these Alpine Type S 6.5 inch coaxial speakers. In this video, we're going to show you everything that this box and pair come with in terms of the accessories. We're going to show you the build quality of the speaker, and we're going to get them mounted up and throw some power at them so you can hear what they sound like. Let's get started. So before we dive into the box themselves, just a couple of things to note on the outside. Alpine does rate these at 80 watts RMS power at 4 ohms. Really nice speaker, tons of power for, probably your average 4-channel amplifier. It does say it can handle up to 240 watts for peak power, but go by that RMS rating. Now, within the box itself, as stated, it does not come with speaker grills. If you need the speaker grills, you have to pick up the KTE-S-S65G. You can purchase those separately. Now, looking here on the back hand side of the box itself, what's cool about this, you actually, if you can kind of see it on camera, there's perforated templates that you can pull out of the back itself to use in the event you're doing a custom install where you need to cut those holes perfectly. Alpine provides that, which is great. Shows you all the wiring configuration, how all the brackets work, everything that's included in the box, all there printed on the back. All right, so let's get this thing pulled apart. Looks like we have warranty information. So kind of hidden off to the side here is our hardware and wiring harness adapters that they include, which is great. Okay, so we got these all pulled apart here. Now within the kit, besides the mounting hardware and harnesses that we covered, they also do come with universal mounting brackets, which is kind of cool for the pair. And then we have the speakers themselves. Now what's really cool about these, it has within the cone itself, it's a carbon fiber reinforced plastic within the woofer itself, so it gives it really nice structure. And then this has this multi-roll surround. It really helps protect against distortion according to Alpine. They love this stuff, so really nice upgrade from the previous generation. And then the tweeters themselves, it's a 1-inch silk dome tweeter up in there. Now flipping it kind of on the back here, let's take a look. Now it has a passive crossover built onto the back here, so essentially all you have to do is hook it up to your input or your source. Has a nice metal basket here and pretty large magnets, nice and hefty. Now some other features and specs on these speakers. Like I said, they can handle up to 80 watts RMS. Frequency response though can handle between 70 hertz and all the way up to about 22,000 hertz according to Alpine. Input sensitivity is 88 dB. Top mounting depth is 2 5/16 inch. Again, grills not included. What we're going to do at this point is get them mounted up in some sealed boxes and throw some power at them. Okay, so that's about it for that demo. We love the way these sound. We have really good mid bass there, and the tweeters are nice and clean. If you are going to purchase a set of these Type S yourself, we do recommend also purchasing or installing an amplifier to provide that 80 watts RMS in order to get the maximum benefit out of these speakers. Well, that's about it for this video. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We post great content on the channel all the time. We're also going to be testing the component counterparts to these, so check that video on out. We'll have a link in the description as well as a card up above. Also, if you are interested in seeing these installed in a vehicle, we will be putting these in a 2016 F-150. So check that video on out. Also, we'll have a link down in the description as well as a card up above. Once again, we appreciate you watching, and we will see you in the next video.